Hey babe, I just bought the iPhone 13 Pro Max just to say sorry on what happened last time, and I promise this time around it will never happen again.
Were you expecting me to jump up?
No babe,
Getting my iPhone 13 Pro Max doesn't mean you're a faithful enough as a man.
I promise it will never happen again. This time around we are going to make it real. I'm going to give you the whole earth.
Who talk? Who talk?
Now me.
70 years old man.
Nini?
What's your problem?
Is he Nini? What you tell her?
What will be your problem? I said I will give her the whole earth.
You go give her the whole earth. Hey! God punish you. God punish you.
Okay, they mad.
In the grace, if you give her the whole earth, where we go stay?
I take concern you.
Hey God, see short man like you.
Babe, who is this clown?
Hey, shut up. You know the only thing if you greedy person. Even if you give her small part of the earth, now the whole earth, and you. They here, they open teeth. If you take the whole earth, which one? Where your mama and papa go stay?
Hey!
God.
Mr. Ray, must you look for trouble?
Hey! God, when they chop, leave, don't follow, go to the chop. See, you don't allow this guy to teach you thief. You know the thief. I go call police.
What?
I go call police for you. You be hardened criminal. You check your whole earth. You know what? I call police. Hey, God.
Who is that guy? Do you know him?
Leave him. He's Mr. Ray. Always prognosing.
Chai!
Hey, officers, yes. One.
Hey, Mr. Ray.
Yes.
What type of plane is
What's the
this?
emergency?
Officer, see the criminal here.
What?
Officer, as I from this gate, just say come. Now my normal walk, oh, just say come back. As I say, make I enter house like this. Now this criminal, I hear this criminal, they promise this girl the whole world. Officer, just imagine. Imagine, say if this girl you take the whole world, where near you go stay? Just imagine.
Chai!
Just imagine.
What is the emergency?
So why you call it like say I dey get mental problem? Wait. I know say for everybody here now you get sense pass.
What?
Next time they insult your girl. Just imagine. Imagine say this girl now hold the whole world, the whole earth. Where you go stay? Eh? Where you, your family, IGP? Imagine say your commissioner. No dey here. Imagine now why they do like say you need to do this thing. Now just imagine where you go stay.
Waiting concern you.
Because I be good citizen. And I always say we see criminals around our neighborhood, Moko call. I think I call now. See, this one like big criminal.
Mr. Wayne,
Eh?
you under arrest
For waiting now.
for misinforming the police. Officers,
Sir,
arrest him.
I don't understand. Hey, who has the right to remain silent? Yeah, I don't know.
Anything you say or do will be used against you in the high court of law. Oh, yeah.
Oh, Abumu, not too much.